Hey guys, it's me again doing another video, and look what I have. This is the Coach clutch. I had seen quite a few videos on this particular item. I didn't realize how big it was or whatever, but anyway, I had been looking at them and they actually kind of expensive or whatever. So one day, I'm always laying in the bed looking at Facebook. I was on Facebook Marketplace and I saw this. She had wanted $35 for it. And I was like, oh, okay, that's not a bad price or whatever. And so I had saved it in my little, files or whatever. And then I had got a message to where she had marked it down to $25. Y'all, I bought this thing so fast or whatever. And the only thing that's wrong with it is that it didn't come with the little wristlet strap thing, which is okay. That's fine. I'm not tripping off of that or whatever, because I'm just going to use it as like a little wallet or anyway. And then plus I can add my little dinky chain to it, and I can do it as a crossbody or whatever. Let me find my phone so I can show y'all that it'll fit. My phone does it will fit in here, and I have the iPhone 7. But anyway, let me show y'all this real fast. And this comes in a variety of styles, colors, just everything. I saw a real pretty pink one that I wouldn't mind having. Then they have another one with the, I think they're called tea rose, the little tea rose, the little flowers all of them. Oh, it's so cute, so cute. But anyway, this is this one. And it has a little signature, Coach signature thing on there. And there's that. And it's really soft. It is really soft. And I'm glad that it did come with the little hang tag. Because a lot of times people sell you this Coach stuff secondhand. And child, the tags be gone and everything. And so that's that. And I understand that they can fall off fairly easily. So that's not a problem, because you can always buy extra tags. Here's the inside. It's look kind of like a peanut butter mustard color. And then there's that. And then here's the inside of here. It's actually pretty big for it to be like a little clutch wallet thing. And then there's that. And then you can add like 2 cards. You can put your ID and your debit card here or whatever. And then your little smooth zip. So it's a nice, let me press my phone. It's a nice bag. Let me see if that'll fit. Ooh. Yeah, that'll fit there. Or I think I'd rather have it right here in the front. And child, you can take that out on the town with you. But like I said, you can also use it as a wallet too. Oh, that's cute. It has 1941 like in the little corner thing. That's cute. I didn't see that. But yeah, I'm gonna look for me another color. They have it in a little pretty pink, and I wouldn't mind having the pink color. But yeah, this is a really nice, this is really cute. Really cute. Let me see. Let me see. I don't have the exact, because I have this chain. Here's the Coach chain that you can use. And see, this is the silver one. I have it in the gold also. I don't even know where it's at. But here's the silver purse strap. And I got this for like 15 bucks. It retails for $50. I got it 15 bucks. But you can attach that to this. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't feel like it. But you can attach that to this or whatever and make you a crossbody. But like I said, I would do it in the gold, which I do have this in gold. I think it's in my closet. But I just want to show you all because it looks just like this. It's just gold. But anyway, I just want to show y'all my little good deal that I got. Like I said, just check around, y'all. And y'all can find some stuff. Just got to be patient and look like I do. But like always, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And like it if you like it. If you don't like it, that's fine too. But thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.